In prime-time news this evening, BOJ intervenes in foreign exchange market as dollar reaches another record high. PNP councillor apologizes in the wake of brawl at Children's Hospital. And Ministry of Education zeroes in on school operated by Kahal Yahweh in Montego Bay, St. James.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
This evening, we're turning the spotlight on the sale of an industrial complex in St. Catherine. Guess what? There's a call for the Integrity Commission to investigate the controversial divestment deal. More on that in the Business Day.
Okay, thanks, Andrea. And from Andrea, we go to Spencer Darlington for a preview of what's coming up in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, the Reggae Boys arrived in Antigua on Monday for an assignment this weekend, but they found the accommodation less than acceptable. We'll give you the details in Primetime Sports later.
Lord, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how would you feel if the Shaggy and Friends concert that has raised millions for the Bustamante Hospital for Children is discontinued?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.